Well, here's another recipe for you. It's a pineapple style jerky. Again, it calls for 8 pounds of meat, your favorite meat, whatever you choose. Venison, lean beef, pork, chicken, turkey, it's your choice. But it starts with 2 tablespoons curing salt, 8 tablespoons salt, and that's just the regular table salt, 2.5 tablespoons ginger, 2 teaspoons white pepper. Now here's a great taste. That ginger and that white pepper mixed together really makes a great taste. It makes everything really, really different. You add 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper if you want it a little hot. You go ahead and add 2 or 3 spoons of that. But usually for me, 1 teaspoon is good enough. A cup of brown sugar, and then 5 cups of pineapple juice. This gives it a lot of jazz right here. And then 2 cups of soy sauce.